This video contains slokas 6 to 10 of Narayanyam Dasaka 15 Kapilopadesha. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sri Guru Ayurappa Sharanam. Ahaha Bahulahimsa Sanjidarthai Kudumbam Pradidinam Anupushnan Srijido Balalali Vishadahi Grihasatto Yadana Maya Bhaktaha Kabila Tanurudi Tvam Devahutyai Nagadihi. Ahaha, alas, my abhaktaha, one who is not devoted to me, bahula himsa sanchida arthaihi, with wealth earned by many cruel and unfair means, pradidinam anupushtan kudumbam, every day feeding his family, strijidaha, controlled over by his wife, balalali, fondly loving the children, Griha Saktaha, intensely attached to his house and possessions, Vishadi he indeed attains Yadanam, sufferings, that is hell, Kabila Tanuditvam Devahutye Nagadihi. Hello, Guru Ayappa, human descent as Kapila, thus advised Mother Devahuti. Meaning, alas, men acquire wealth by unfair and cruel means for the support of their own families and are in control of women's charms and love of children, being devoid of devotion to me, intensely attached to the worldly possessions, they are led to the sufferings of hell. Thus, you instructed Mother Devahuti. Here, Srimad Bhagavata, 12th Skanda, chapter number 3 explains the state of affairs in Kali Yuga, that is, the evils of Kali Yuga. Yuvadi Jadaraginno Jadabodopyakande Prasava Galidabodhaha Pidayollankhya Balyam Punarabibada Muhyatyeva Tarunyagale Kapila Tanuriditvam Devahutyai Nagadihi. Yuvadi Jadarakhinnaha, suffering in the womb of mother, Jada Bodha Avi Agande. Even though suddenly getting the knowledge of reality, Prasava Galida Bodhaha, losing that knowledge immediately on birth, Pidaya Ullankhya Balam, spending childhood afflicted with ailments, Puna Abhi Bada Muhyadi Eva, again during your youth remain infatuated with worldly pleasures. Last, Kabila Tanuriditam, that human descent as Kabila, you just advised Mother Devahuti. Meaning, repeatedly entering the womb for rebirth, the Jiva, though retains the memory of the supreme reality, loses it during the birth. After going through various sufferings of childhood, he enters the stage of youth when he once again is overcome by the infatuation of sense life. Thus, you incarnate as Kapila, advised Mother Devahuti. Here, for beautiful account of thoughts of the child in womb, when knowledge dawns, is beautifully described in Bhagavata 3rd Skanda, 31st chapter. Pidra Suraganayaji Dharmigo Yo Grihastaha Saja Nibadadi Kale Dakshina Dyobagami Mai Nihidamagamam Karma Tudak Pathartham Kabila Tanuruditvam Devahutyai Nagadihi. Dharmikaha ya grihasthaha, a householder who performs righteous deeds, Pitrusura Ganayadi, one who performs sacrifices to ancestors and gods, Dashina Adyabhagami, going led to the southern path. Sa cha nibadadikare, and he too comes back to this earth in due course. Mahi nihidam akamam karmatu. Those dedicated to me doing desireless actions, however, Udak Padartham is led by the northern path. Kabila Tanuriditvam Devahutye Nagadi. Thus, human descend as Kapila, you advised mother Devahuti. Meaning, a virtuous householder who makes sacrificial offerings to forefathers, Pitrus, and gods, Devas, goes by the southern path after death and is born again when he has enjoyed the fruits of the meritorious deeds. Those who live by performing desireless actions as offerings to me go by the northern path after death. Thus, you advise Mother Devahuti, O incarnate, as Kapila. Here, we will also recollect the slokas from Bhagavad Gita where Bhagavan says, Ananya chedaha sadadam yomam smaradi nityasha tasyaham sulabha partha nityayuktasya yogina mamupetya punarjanma dukkhalayam ashaswadam नाप्नुवन्ति महात्मानः संसिद्धिं परमां गदाः आब्रह्मभुवनाल्लोकाः पुनरावर्तिनोऽर्जुन मामुपेत्य तु कौन्तेय पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते. These are the verses from Bhagavad Gita. Now, next sloka of Narayaniya. Idi suvadida vedyam devahe devahutim krita nudimanugrihya tvam gado yogi sanghaihi vimala madirathaso bhakti yogena mukta tvamapi janahidartham vartase pragudicyam. Idi Suvadita Vedyam, thus who had known well what is known to be Deva He, O Guru Ayappa. Devahudim Kritanumidam, to Devahudi who was praising thee. Anugrihya Tvam Gadaha, having blessed, you departed. Yogi Sankaihi, along with a group of yogis. Vimalamadi Atha Asau, she, Devahudi, who had become pure in mind, Bhakti Yogena Mukta, was liberated by the path of devotion, Tvam Abhijanahidartham. You also, for the good of people, Vartase, do stay, Prak Udicyam, in the northeast. Meaning, O Guru Ayappa, having thus known all that was known to be known, you blessed Devahuti, who was singing thy praise. She had attained the purity of mind and was liberated by following the path of devotion. You also left with a group of yogis and do stay even now in the northeast for the good of people. Parama kimu bahutya tvatpadamboja bhaktim sagala bhayavinetrim sarvagamopanetrim vadasi khalu dridam tvam tadhithuya mayanme guru pavana puresha tayubadhal swabhaktim. Parama kimu bahutya, Parama, O Supreme God, What more to say? Tvatpada Amboja Bhaktim, devotion to thy lotus feet, Sagala Bhaya Vinetrim, removes all fears, Sarva Kamopanetrim, fulfills all desires, Tvam Drudam Khalu Vadati, you firmly declare these, Tad, therefore, may Amayan Viduya eradicate my ailments. Gunapura Puresha Toyi Bhaktim Ubadatswa. That is, endow me with devotion to thee. So, Guru, what more to say now? That devotion to thy lotus feet removes all fears and fulfills all desires. And so, I pray Guru Ayappa, please eradicate my ailments and endow me with devotion to thee. With this, the chapter on Kapilopadesha ends. And before ending this, we will see a Stuti, Bhagavad Stuti. हरे मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवदाख्यदग्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योदाद् नारायणा अवनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै हरे नमः. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and activate the bell icon. Thank you.